Judgment by the appeal court. Clearly, the appeal was dismissed. Do we agree with the judgment? Of course not. We think even the judges in their, especially when they started talking, taking out their eyes from what they wrote, you could see some elements of bias in what they were saying. However, we would request that our members stay calm. We will get the CTC. The lawyers will advise. The lawyers will go through it. We will go through it. And nothing stops us from heading to the Supreme Court. And there are so many grounds for the appeal to the Supreme Court. So finally, we wish to tell our members, let the hope keep.
So it's right to say you're appealing the judgment?
We are appealing the judgment.
Thank you very much.
Your name, sir?
I'm Anthony Azegbemi, Chairman PDP.
First and foremost, I want to thank God Almighty that made this possible. And I also want to thank the Court of Appeal for their in-depth judgment today. This is not a news to us in Edo. But Edo people voted for Monday Okpebholo-led administration. And all these distractions would have been avoided. But at this point, I want to call on my elder brother, Ighodalo, to embrace this judgment. And let's come together as one family to develop Edo. That's what we stand for. But I will not stop without congratulating my principal, the executive governor of Edo State, as Senator Monday Okpebholo, and the amazing people of Edo who voted for us. Congratulations to all of you, and God bless you all.
We saw the erudition with which the Court of Appeal dismissed the appeal against the tribunal judgment of 2nd April against the Edo State governorship election. Now, we now have a double victory. Governor Monday Okpebholo has again been victorious in this appeal. And the Court of Appeal has aptly captured it by saying that their petition in the first instance lacked merit, as they did not prove their case of overvoting and non-compliance with the Electoral Act. It means at this point in time, even though another window is still open to the Supreme Court, the two lower courts now have concurrently held that the election of Governor Monday Okpebholo is unassailable and upheld at this point in time. It's victory for Edo State, it's victory for the All Progressive Congress, and it's victory for democracy in Edo State. Thank you very much. Dr. Samson Osagi, Attorney General. Thank you.
Yes, we are happy today that the cross appeal of the governor of Edo State was upheld, and the appeal of the petitioners were thrown out. PDP, the petitioner, the petitioners, and the petition. They are the appellants. Their appeal was thrown out, and the cross petition of the governor was upheld. And in the decision of the unanimous decision of the appeal court today, they enumerated a lot of issues and said, how can a petitioner say that an election should be nullified? One breath. In another breath, they are saying that they should be declared a winner, and that it was a mere academic exercise. And so the appeal was dismissed on the merits. And I said it before this time, that the issue of beavers were mainly, they came and dumped beavers at the tribunal. Though the tribunal, at their wisdom, were admitted. But the Court of Appeal, in the cross appeal of the governor, they upheld the cross appeal and threw away those beavers as lacking many, and they threw them away. We're happy today. Thank you.
Your name again, sir?
Stevie Okoro.
What's the barrister?
State legal advisor, APC, Edo State.
Anytime I say that we will do